The Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra leaks don't look impressive. That's the problem. No wild redesign, no confirmed insane specs. If you scroll past quickly, it feels like Samsung is doing nothing. But slow down for a second, because this might be the most intentional upgrade strategy they've done in years. The device is real. It has already surfaced in certification listings, which means this isn't early rumor territory anymore. It's deep in development. The launch window is now consistently pointing towards September or October 2026. But the bigger story isn't the date, it's the direction. Samsung is reportedly skipping the base model this time and focusing only on Plus and Ultra. That's not just lineup cleanup. That's a clear signal. This series is no longer for casual users. It's going fully premium. Now look at the hardware, because this is where most people are getting it wrong. The display is expected to stay at 14.6 inches with AMOLED and 120 Hz. Sounds like nothing changed, right? But think about it. Samsung already dominates tablet displays. There's no pressure to redesign it. Instead, the focus seems to be on refinement, better efficiency, improved brightness handling, maybe subtle anti-reflective improvements. Nothing flashy, but everything practical. Performance is where things quietly shift. Earlier leaks were all over the place: Snapdragon, Exynos, MediaTek. But more recent discussions are leaning toward a MediaTek flagship. That might sound unexpected, but it actually fits the pattern. Samsung isn't chasing peak benchmark numbers here. They're aiming for sustained performance, better thermals, and consistent output. Especially important for a device this size that's built for long sessions. But still, there's no solid confirmation of 65-watt charging. No confirmed massive battery jump. Most signs point to Samsung staying close to the current setup and improving endurance through optimization. Same story with cameras. They're not chasing upgrades here either. So where is the real upgrade? Software. AI is quietly becoming the center of this device. Smarter multitasking, writing assistance, system-level intelligence. This is where Samsung is actually investing. Not in numbers you flex, but in features you use every day. Thanks for watching. If a device gets smarter instead of bigger, does that make it boring, or does it make it better? Because the Tab S12 Ultra might not look exciting, but it might be the most calculated move Samsung makes this year. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.